How to check if your laptop camera is working. So if you have a built-in webcam, I'm going to show you how to test whether it's working. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is open up your Start menu and just click on Settings. Now, from the left-hand side, select Privacy and Security, and then you'll need to scroll down to the camera and click on this. Make sure camera access is turned on like you see here. Also make sure let apps access your camera is switched on. And next to camera, go and turn this on. You'll also need to do the same for let desktop apps access your camera. Make sure this is switched on. Now once you've done this, go and close out of this window. You can then open up your Start menu, search for the word camera and go and open up the camera app. You may get some pop-up notifications, just make sure to press yes. And now if you see your camera on the screen, this indicates your webcam is working. If you see this message that says your camera might be covered, then you'll need to make sure that the shutter on your laptop is open for your webcam. So right next to your webcam, you should have a privacy slider, and you can just go and slide this to either the left or the right hand side, and this will open up the webcam on your computer.